The Haitian took from the Catholic faith their saints, hymns, prayers, statues, candles, and holy relics, mixing it into the voodoo religion and drastically changing it. Some of these similarities can be seen with the saints, such as Saint Patrick, who in voodoo is known as Papa Legba, the gatekeeper of the spirit world. In the Catholic faith, Saint Patrick was given the key to the kingdom of heaven to allow the souls of the righteous to enter. In both religion, in voodoo and Catholicism, there is one God. With Catholics, they have various saints that sometimes help them if they're in situations they might ask the saints for intervention. In the voodoo religion, they have one God, but many demigods that they use to help them to accomplish certain rites or certain religious activities. Another saint is Saint Expedite. In the Catholic religion, he was a Roman centurion who was converted to Christianity after witnessing the resurrected Lord. He encouraged people to convert today instead of tomorrow. In voodoo, he represents the spirit Gidi or Baron Samedi, the guardian who stands at the cemetery gate and instructs funeral participants when a soul has crossed over into eternal bliss. Saint Jude represents Ogu, a warrior spirit who defends against evil and hexes. In the Catholic faith, there's communion, where the wine and the bread is used to represent the blood and the body of Christ. In the voodoo religion, the animal is sacrificed and the actual blood is used to sprinkle on the ones who are participating, representing the blood of Christ. In the voodoo religion, or in Haiti, there's a common phrase, a common proverb that goes amongst the people, and it goes, one must be Catholic to effectively serve the voodoo spirits. With that, I hope you enjoyed my presentation on how Catholic or Catholicism or the Catholic faith affected voodoo religion in the Haitian